Hello, here I am for you again. Today we are going to find out the factors of a number, listing the factors of a number, and also we are going to learn one trick to find the number of factors of a number, Yes, let's see with the example. Factors of 6 equals. We are going to list out the factors of 6. Let's start with number 1. All we knew that 1 is a factor of every number. So that 1 times 6 equals 6. Let's take next number to 1, that is 2. 6 comes in the table 2. So that 2 times 3 equals 6. That means 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. 6 is the multiple of 2. That means 2 divides 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's take number 3. 6 comes in the table 3. That means 3 divides 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's take number 4. 6 doesn't come in the 4 table. And also we can check by doing division to know about this number. Here 6. We are going to divide 6 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Here remainder is 2, not 0. That means 4 is the not factor of 6. So we do not take 4 as a factor of 6. Let's take 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Here also not 0. Remainder is not 0. So that 5 is also a not a factor of 6. So we do not take here 5. Let's take next number 6. All we knew that every number itself is a factor of its own. Here 6 times 1 equals 6. That means 6 is the factor of a 6. Here if you observe 1, 2, 3, 6 are repeated here. So that we can take only ones. So the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. If you observe here 2 times 3, 3 times 2, the numbers are interchanged here. When the numbers are interchanged, you can stop up to here. Now we can consider the factors as 1, 2 and this side also 3, 6. We got same factors. Okay. Yes, let's take another example. This time I am going to take little bigger number. Factors of 60. What are the factors of 60? Yes, this time I am going to say one trick for you to find out the number of the factors. Number of factors of 60. For that, let's start with 1. 1 times 60 equals 60. That means 1 and 60 are the factors of 60. Let's take 2. 2, how many times? 2 times how much equals 60? Here, to know this number here, we divide 60 by 2. Yes, or else 2 is an even number, 2 is an even number and 60 is also an even number. 2 divides every even number. That means 2 divides 60 completely. Completely means here, see here, 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0 and bring down 0. 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here we got 0 remainder. That means 2 divides 30 completely. When a number divides completely other number, 2 divides 60 completely. When a number divides other number completely means then we get the 0 remainder. When we get 0 remainder, we can think here divisor and quotient are the factors of 60. Factors of the dividend. That means here 2 and 30 are the factors of 60. So 2 times 30 equals 60. Let's take number 3. 3 times how much? Equals 60. For that we divide 60 by 3 this time. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 0. 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We got 0 remainder. That means 3 is a factor of 60. 3 times 20 equals 60. Let's take 4. Whether it is a factor or not. To know about that, divide 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 2 and bring down 0. 4, 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Remainder is 0. That means 4 is a factor of 60. 4 times 15 equals 60. Next, let's take number 5. For that we divide 60 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Bring down 0. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Here also we got 0. That means 5 is a factor of 60. 5 times 12 equals 60. Let's take number 6. Divide 60 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So here also we got 0. So that 6 is a factor of 60. 6 times 10 equals 60. Let's take number 7 here. After 6 is 7. Divide 60 by 7 here. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. Here we got 4 remainder, not 0. That means here 7 is a not factor of 60. So we do not take 7. Let's take number 8. For that we divide 60 by 8. 7s are 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. Here also we got not 0 remainder. That means 8 is also not a factor of 60. So we do not take 8 as factor. Let's take 9. 9 6s are 54. 60 minus 54 equals 6. Here the remainder is 6, not a 0, not 0. So that 9 is also not a factor of 60. So we do not take 9 also as factor. Okay. Let's take number 10. For that we divide 60 by 10. 10 6 are 60. 60 minus 60 equals 0. Here we got 0 remainder. That means 10 is also factor of a number. 10 is also factor of 60. Here 10 times 6 equals 60. Here if you observe, the numbers are interchanged. When the numbers are interchanged, you can stop here. That means we got all the factors. Let us see the trick by doing the prime factorization of 60. Now we are going to break down 60 as 2 times 30. Circle 2 as the 2 is a prime number. Circling means we are not going to break down 2 into further factors. Why? Because a prime number doesn't have other than 1 and the number itself as factors. So we can stop here. Now we are going to break down 30 as 2 times 15. 2 is the prime, so we can circle. Now we are going to break down 15 as 3 times 5. 3 is a prime, so circle. 5 is also a prime, so circle. Now I am going to write the prime factorization of 60 here. 2 into 2 into 3 into circle the numbers 5. I am going to write this prime factorization in exponent form. 2, how many times we got 2? 2 times. So 2 power 2 into how many times we got? 3? Only 1 time. So 3 power 1 and 5 Only one time, so 5 power 1. Observe the exponents here. 2, 1 and 5. 2, 1 and 5. So here 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. That means number 60 has 12 factors. This is the trick. 60 has 12 factors. For every number we can check like this, children. Here, if you observe here, have we got all the factors or not? Students may get confusion about this. Yes, this video helps them to find out whether they have found all the factors or not. Here 60 has 12 factors. Let's check with this example here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 60 got. Here we got 12 factors for 60. That means we got all the factors. Yes. So I'm going to write here factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and reversely. I'm going to write reversely here. 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are the factors of 60. This video helps them to find out the number of factors of any number. What is prime factorization? We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.